mo dia? Junior, Wet and Wild. Ah? Where are you? Hang on, give me 1 sec. I'll just do this one. Junior, Wet and Wild. Where are you? Can I go there? Oh, let me. Let me. Oh. Let me see. I don't want to wet our towel. Let me see.
Get over here.
Oh my God.
You can fit.
I can fit, of course. Look at me. All right, let's go.
Go.
Uy. All right, let's go. This is the junior. Junior ni section. So nice. Wow! I can't go there kaya mabasa akong cellphone. Oh, nindot guys, mga bata diri Tandag ko dito. This is kid thing. Ay, nako. Grabe ka solid. Mat! Lingaw kayo mga bataan eh, oh. Mateo! That one, Mat! Mateo! Dito ba, oh? Ito. Oh! That slides. Nice. But try the slides. Junior. Oh, it's Mateo. I thought that was Mateo. Diamond duck. Huh?
I'm gonna come with line.
Okay. Okay, try on. Not here.
Try your slide then.
You slide now. Ay! Let him slide kaya kung kuanan dire video. You go for slide. Okay. Yes, thank you, Lord, for the good weather. Coming? Okay. Whoa! Huh? We can try the other slides there, bigger slides up there.
Nah.
Nah?
That's gonna pull up and then jump on the.
Okay, you go. Oh no, you miss it. Wata nagdag sunblock. Sunblock. Ay, hang on, hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Oh, where are you? Mateo? Slide. Matt. Warmer diri sa kids. Andito sa adult may tugnaw. Tapay daghan dito di. Why you did not slide? Matt, it's coming. Oh no, you missed that one. Ah! You missed that one. Okay, you try that one, Tio. Oh, syempre. $159 ang entrance per head. Hindi ka mo nindot. Okay, we try the other na. Napay-daghan dito, oh. Explore pa ito, napay-daghan dito. Napay-daghan po dito, dito. Matt, come on. We try the other. What massage? We try the other thing there. We try the other thing. You try that one and then we go the other side. Okay, you go this one. You see where the girl's going? Go, 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 go. Woo! Woo! Try this one too. Yeah. No, it's nice. You go. You try this one. It's the entrance there. The entrance is there. Ha? Isa? Init gani. Pa. Sarado? Ah, okay. How about that one? Theo? About this one? This one, Matt? Huh? Pipeline. Mini tornado. About this one? Huh? You go with Daddy.
Yeah, go with Daddy.
You go with Daddy. You grab one and you see how it go? You go like that. Yay! You go with Daddy. Come on. Okay, you go with Daddy.
Yeah.
Here you go. I'll wait here.
That was fun.
Oh.
What do you want on these slides? Let's go on these slides first. When do we put those heads? We put them there. Let's go on those slides.
Aha naman to sila.
Wait, can I go on with yours? Go on the front of the back.
Ooh. Ah.
I'm going to the toilet. No, you're in the one spot.
Wait, what? Let's go.
Woo. Oh my God, kasakit sa init. Ah, there the air. Woo! All right. Okay, we can try the other. No, thank you. We'll try the other park. We try the other rides over there.
That first.
No. We'll try the other park first.
Doing that one.
No. We try the other park first. You see that one?
This one last time.
Okay, you go. Go. Hama na itong mga chinelas. Ayaw. Okay, we can try the other. Where's our sleeper? No. We tried the other one. Where's our sleeper? Okay, we pass this water. We go this water. We go past this way. Okay, you go past under the bridge. Oh! Let's go past the bridge, Matt. Yeah. We go past the bridge. This is really nice here, you see? Wait for me. Soong tag-bridge, soong. Soong tag-bridge.
It's loud in there, right?
Huh? Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, we try that one. We go the other side. This is Wet and Wild Junior area. The other thing is for adult. On that side. Now we go this side. Let's check out. Let's check out there. Dako kaayong picnic area oh. Ninduta sa ilahang kuan di oh. Kanang ilahang kuan ba wood. It's a real wood. Yeah, it is. Duta oy, I'm addicted to this one. Yeah, ninduta kay sa ilang kuan di oh. Nindot kay ilahang mga bangko ba, no? Okay, let's check out the other side. Eh? Be? Huh? Tell me, come. What? Oh, really? Oh, really? Oh, be. Kana. Ansa na? Kalipo, oy. Kalipo Beach? No. Whirlpool? Kokomo Park. Naato dito ganina mi, oh. Junior Wet and Wild. Dito may gaina. Diha, unya, magbawod na diha, unya, dagdag ko kayong bawod diha, unya. O di ka ganahan, tambay ra ka diha, ah. Tanaw-tanaw na yung katong movie niya, pwede ka ingkod-ingkod diha, ah. Ingkod-ingkod ka tira. Tanaw kag movie dito, while mag-wave-wave diha, ah, unya. Anyway, we'll check dito because unsa man ni, oy, toilet, manday kaninot ba silang toilet, oy. Male toilet. Okay. Kalipo Beach. What's this Kalipo Beach? This is female toilet. Pagkagwapa. What's this? Whirlpool. Whirlpool Springs. What's in here? Oh, Kalipo Beach is closed. Oh no. Sayang na yung mga rides unta na oh. Ay sa ha? Natanay mga rides ba? Oo. Nay mga rides. Close lang. Due to seasonal operation, Calypso Beach is currently closed. Ay, oy. Daoy, nindot trabaon tao. Ay, oy. Oh, close man. Pero I'm very thankful nga niinit karon daoy. Nindot unta na dito, oh. Ay, oy. About here. Whirlpool Springs. I hope it's not closed. No, it doesn't say. Pero nga nung naiatang. Ay, well, Whirlpool, ay, dili siya functional today. Whirlpool Springs. Di siya functional today. Murag under what? Ay, oy. But it's okay. Ko panik ay diri. Barbecuehanan. No smoking, oh. Relax, relax ka diha. Unsa man ni na rides, oh. Summer fun. We'll check this out here. What's in here? Huh? Ambot na lang. Bi, sumpay pa ni dito. Aw, dili na di ay. Dili na di ay. Natong duharon. I think this is just a roundabout or something. Oh, where it go? Wait, there's another thing there. Let me check. Natong duha, bahala. Unsa man di dire? Ay, close man under something something. Okay. Well, check that out. Whatever. This is for adulting. Yeah. Daoy, wow, kasiksi niya, bye. Here, Camizo, double barrel. Oh, rides. Dabe, let me check. Kaboom! Kasi double barrel, so for okay, let me see. Okay, natanawa ka dako anak nga park. Oh, mahurot na namuglaag. So far dili gyud mi ani kay kinadak ani di makaya sa power. My God, dili makaya sa power mo sakay diha. Bahala nas Batman, no way. So far dire manami dire Giant ang Whirlpool kay kuan man not functioning kani manami dire manami mo ni sa Junior Wet and Wild, oh. So manami dira close ang Calypso Beach mao nay Calypso Beach, oh, kanindot on tanaw, oy, close lang sila, you see, close lang sila, oh. So, nitabok kog tulay. So, nako dira. Kamikasi de na ay tornado. Oh my God, na ay kaboom. Di ni makayas power, oy. So, dili na ako dira nga area. Kani under kuan pod kani under maintenance kani og kani hamani. Kani og kani under maintenance. Kani under maintenance. Kung diha so ang likod niya Sky Coaster. Pwede pa siguro mi diri ansa man. Dito, uy, Ginoo ko, di ko ana, uy, Ginoo ko. Kada ko ana, Kaboom. Uy, Mariusep. Tangtang atong matris ane, kamikaze. Okay, let me check this out. Kamikaze, Tornado, Oasis, Black Hole, Kaboom, Double Barrel. Let's check this out. Kamikaze. Saan yung Kamikaze ron? Oh, Ingo na lang kung mag-video-video ani no, mag-live-live. Bako sumakay ani, Ginoo ko makuya panta. Jesus. Oh, tuwa sila na. Entry. Let's just check this out. 2-person tube ride. Kamikaze. Wet and Wild. Entry only. Okay. Di ko diha oy. Di ko diha kay. Mao ni entry. Hoy. Di ko mo sakay. Di ko mo sakay. Bahala mo diya, di ko mo sakay diya. Let me check the other one. Tanggal atong langs ani. Tanggal atong langs ug sumagit. Hang on. Di ko dira naman tong duha pa ingon. Hoy. Thank you, Lord, for the good weather. Mao ni foxtail. Yeah, it is foxtail. Mudako man dining foxtail no na. Dako kayo. Pero dugay pa pila na ni ka years. Natong duha ka binuhat gibiyaan ako. Maybe there, double barrel. How about this one here? No ride access, Tornado, observation deck only. No ride access to Tornado, observation deck only. Okay, I can try. Observation deck ra daw. Let me check this out. Nindot, hala ka, nindot niya. Nindot kayo siya. Look. Nindot kayo, dako kayo siya. Santan, dagas Pilipinas, anang santan, oh. Unsa ra ni siya? Kanang humot, kanang ibaligya sa simbahan. Unsa ra kay na siya? Sampagita. No rides, observation na daw ni diri. Huy, tuan na naka sila. Unya. Testing ko no kung saka, no? Testing ko no kung saka. Na, di ko masapig sakay. Ano ito? Sila sa babaw, oh. Ito sila sa babaw, oh. Nyamuan na sila diha. Tanaw na kuha, oy. Ginoo ko mo na hagbungan. Jesus, kahadlok marimar. Well, see, ha? Oh, hadlok ana, oh. Tanaw na ko ha. To amo saka sila, oh, naay mo. Naay rides. Don't forget to smile for the camera. So they will take a camera then. I mean a photo. Huy, Ginoo ko kahadlok mahog diha, oh. Gikan dito. Dito, huy, Ginoo ko, marimar, makuyapan ko, o ako. Mahog sila diha, niya, ilamba-lamba dito, okay. Oh, tuara, oh, Jesus Christ, look at that, woo! Look at that, woo! Woo! Look at that. My God. Okay, next one. Marimar. Nahog na. Wala. Okay, that's it. Let me check the other one. Ay, ginoo ko. Di ko masakaya na. Ay, bahala mo diya. Di makaya ng powers. Can't manage. Can't manage. Oh my God. Can't manage the rides. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Na, bahala mo diya. Ay. The black rides dito, I'm gonna check that out too. Nakatunduha ka binuhat. Nawa na. Tagpo silang bitbit sa ilang sakyan, oh. Ay, bahala dia. Natunduhan, nawa na. Tornado. Oh my God, this is where they land. Unsa man ni dire? Ride a tornado. Oh, so you must be. Kumusta kay kaana ina nakakataas, so at least. High green. Oh, no way. Higal lang tatanawan eh. Habang ko sumakay. To ano, oh. To ano, bahala mo diya. Kan hala mo diya. Igal tas tanawin taon na ne. I'll check that black thing there. Igal tas tanawan ne nung ka marimar. Bahala ka diya. 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. Okay. You wanna ride this one? Wanna try this one? No? Ay, Marimar. Okay. Let me get out of here. Hala, oy, mo dako man dahing foxtail, oh, as in dako kay siya. Na, oh. Okay. Let me get out of here and let me go the other way. Let's check this out. Nindot siya, oh. Nindot siya, no. Kanigyan nindot, oh. Okay. That's better. Kaboom. Kaboom. Double barrel. I'll check that out. But let me go this way first. Pagin ni pamutang sa mga kanang kuano, mga water park. Okay. What's in here? Oh, there's actually an exit there. Why I go around? There's other thing. Let me check that black thing there. Toilet. Auto oasis. Oh, this one is fine. Not too bad. You see Mateo is there. Oh, this is nice. Oh my God, super Reaper. This is nice. That's fine. And maybe this, the black one. Change room. Oh, this black thing, I don't know. Huy, kadaghan ba ni Marimar? Pila ka round imong agian? Ituyok-tuyok magkas kalibutan. Oh my goodness. Di jud kaya ng powers. Samot na ni. Samot na ni. Uy, Marimar. Ay sa, we'll check this out. Oh, kada ko ana murag Batman. Uy, kinuko kahadlok pa yung taon ani. Dapat mo dahil diri. Naman to sila mat-mat. Hanak ada no? Riko eh. Ikan dito. Agbong dito ana. Ay, mirisi. Wagit tani. Dalimang kaana dito. Kapila ka ituyok-tuyok sa kalibutan. Nya dagpa re kadiraa. Ginoo ko Lord. O sana tong ni Syagit. Sana tong ni Syagit o dito. Na to sila. Na, ikaw lang ta mag-video aning rides kadi makayas power Ginoo ko. Taman ra ko ani. Taman ra ko ana. Ay, Ginoo ko. Hindi makaya, oy. Siguro dahil sa gamay, papata ay guro niya katulito. Pinakataas, guro, hagdong dito. Mama ni mahagdong dito. Uy, Marimar. Taman na ko ani, oy. O katong wave dito, o kay rato, katong kane dire, kane. Kung saan na itong ni Syagit, na ito dapit ni Syagit na ara. Na mo, pura gali ilang gatuan, o. So ako okay ra ko dire, kanira ko kani. Kana dira katuo katong pambata dito nga kuan. Tum pambata taman datas pambata ani gyatay. Taman datas pambata ani. Di makaya sa power ni. Tamo tong pagpangko be. It works.
Let me try this out.
You cannot see. Please proceed. Okay, let's go.
Please proceed. Yes, put it down for that one.
Amin na di.
Don't cover me.
Ginoo ko di makayang rides. Di amurag ana pero di gihapon di. Woo!
Mama?
Makuyap. Narang foxtail oh, nindot ba ya?
No, we're not going that one. I've got to that.
Ha? Okay. Tell me how you feel this time.
I'll make this.
Why?
What? I like water.
Yeah? Nindot oh.
Or that one's like.
Hi to my 2,000 viewers. Hi to, okay, shout out to, uy, Uncle Giovanni is watching. Uncle Giovanni is watching. Shout out to Giovanni. Sir, perting lingawa, di lang may malingaw sa rides. Kay sus, ginoo ko makakuyap. This is not working. I mean, this is under renovation or maintenance. I'm not sure. But yeah. Hi to Raymar Claridad. Who else is watching? That's not functioning. That's not functioning either. So two. Hi to apaday isa dito di on sa tunga rides na samot na.
Yeah, close.
It's not close, the other one, but still. Huh?
Close.
But oh my God, I cannot bear it. Kana ba diha nindot pero close lang sila. It's a beach. Beach type thing. I only the junior and this one is fine. Katong wave ganina ba? The wavy ba? The wavy. Tong primero tong gadtoan ganina. The junior and this one is good for us. Not the other thing. My God. Woo, simbak ko.
I like everything.
Here. Dito oh. Ha ha ha. Na. Napaka-reserva na. No, we've been there before. We go to the junior. You are now entering a licensed area. Oh. You say it's waving. Let me just. You go to the junior. Now, diha lagi taon makaya na mo. Let's go to the junior. Kana diha pa Calypso Beach. Junior lagi taon mi tama na ni. Ay, di makaya sa power ang Ginoo ko ang mga rides. Sus, Ginoo ko. Makuyapan, makakuyap. San pagsulag sa kalibo inyo na. Sakay bitaw mi gahapon ka ng Escobedo. Sus, abi ba na mo horror-horror ang Escobedo? Sus, rides bitaw na. Sus, Ginoo ko. Ilabog-labog, mura pong kag roller coaster lagi. Nagsakay roller coaster. Sus, Mariusep. Ginoo ko gyud. Ay. Na, dito mi ganina. Dito mi ganina. Da mi ganina. Dito. Okay na na diha. Kay Rebels na diha. Morasha Beach. Kere na na diha. Taman ra among beauty diha ah. Taman ra mi diha. Na. Taman ra mi diha ah. Wave niya. Naidaghang lifeguard. But ang pinaka tsada sa junior. Ang pinaka tsada junior. Oh, mo ni pinaka tsada. Onya, mundang na kog live kay mag-swimming ko oy. Okay, bye for now. Thank you for watching. Tapagani dito ako, kanto dito dako kayo dito. Di makayas kalibutan. Okay, bye for now sa oy kay maligo ko. Thank you.